So as I was saying, that the current internet economic model is broken, right? There is no capacity for self-financing, and which is basically controlled by intermediaries, while creators and its communities are completely disconnected with poor alignment of incentives. So mid-tribes, and tribe aims exactly to bring back fairness of value accrual to creators on the internet. It addresses creators' pain points by enabling deeper connection across creator ecosystem, bringing back the true meaning of community and caring, right? It's basically around creators' economy, and how tribes were created and their main pillars. So the main pillars of tribes is based on the value accrue capability, enabled by a native value capture mechanism using a complex reverse auction model. And why did we use reverse auction model is to increase fairness and economic efficiency for the people that is raising capital, right? And that is where Cartesi tech plays a very important role. It's a sophisticated auction that we couldn't implement that on EVM level. So we use that on our scalability solution and using Cartesi as an execution layer. Okay. Well, and this economic, and aside of that, you have the economic enabler and the community at the focus, also using blockchain to connect key stakeholders on that tribe and generating a sustainable and economic flying wheel. And how that works. So basically, we created archetypes. They are based on community archetypes, which each archetype has a function within the ecosystem, right? The tribes define creators, users, investors, and supporters, which each of those with a specifically dynamic and impossible incentives mechanisms. And how did we manage to create that? Well, aside of the Cartesi as an execution layer, we deployed that on Sepolia, the Ethereum testnet, but also in Polygon. One thing that we did in this exercise was not to creating a full DApp that Philippe will demonstrate shortly, but also we want to explore what is possible with Cartesi, right? We connected this with Chainlink oracles, with Chainlink tooling for multi-chain deployment. We also invest a lot of time on tooling, so Philippe can mention more. We advance a lot on our Python high-level framework, which is almost complete now, thanks for the tribe work, and will be very useful for the whole community to easily use Cartesi while developing Python. And as I said, as a tooling, we use the Chainlink data feeds, the Chainlink automatization, and Chainlink CCIP, which is promote interoperability cross-chain. If you want to try us out, you just check our app POC, and thanks everyone. Felipe, you want to jump and present now the demo? Let me drop myself.
You guys see that?
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
So, okay, I already have the wallet connected here. And in the profile, you can see, for example, your user profile with every course that you have already bought, bids that you have already placed. And you can even create a new project here. And okay, you have to fill in the name, description. Right now, the model that we are using is the creator is going to specify how much of the payments he's going to receive while the project is being paid by itself. Once the project is everything paid, the creator receives 100% of the revenue. But this could be changed in the future with different kind of archetypes and different dynamics of financing. The affiliate rate is how much the affiliate, which is another archetype, which would be someone doing the marketing of the course, would receive. The minimum viable value, which is the minimum value that is needed for the project to succeed. and the pledged value, which is the full amount that you will want to accrue. During the auction time, the investors can send money for a percentage of the income. There is a minimum bid, and there is also the pre-sale period and the full sale period, the regular sale. So the pre-sale is going to be before the course is ready, the sale is after that. Let me just go quickly here. So if you want to be the affiliate for a given course, you can just click on a course here and become the affiliate. You are going to be registered as an affiliate, and then buyers can send your address so you receive a kickback for it. And the course is available for buying right now in courses on pre-sale. And here's the launch page, which are the courses which are not still ready to buy, but you can invest on. So if you want to see one particular course, you can invest some certain value and ask for a return rate. And this bid is going to enter in an auction, and the full the people the bids who are contemplated are going to receive tokens and NFT saying that they're participating and they are financing this course. Yeah, that's it.
Great, Philippe. And future versions will also enable ZK login for pre-KYC using Polygon ID functionalities.